There is always a difference between a chartered accountant and a good chartered accountant. A good chartered accountant have good specialization. I always never say that go to litigations, go to judicial aspects, go to appeals. Can you understand? I met a chartered accountant. This is what I wanted to share and was waiting to share with all of you. Business outsourcing. I met a chartered accountant who is now doing offshore outsourcing work in India. People used to say that it has saturated. I never say it is a saturated field. He's doing marvels in this field. Why? Because he have good infrastructure, good knowledge. He first himself cleared with international degrees, and then he pitched the clients accordingly. And at his face value, you will not believe he has a turnover of more than 3.5 crores annum. 3.5 crores annum in his initial years of practice. He have his own business now surviving. Can you get this point, sir? Yes. Is it clear? Moving further. Moving further, आपको अब ध्यान देना है स्पेशलाइजेशन से आगे बढ़ेंगे और अब हम जाएंगे टुवर्ड्स न्यू टेक्नोलॉजिकल एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स. जब हमने पहले टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करी, अब हमने बात करी उसके बाद रिगार्डिंग हमने बात करी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उसके बाद हमने अपॉर्चुनिटीज की बात करी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बाद हमने बात करी चीज़ों को जो हमारे पास नई नई सेगमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, और जैसे नए सेगमेंट्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं स्पेशलाइजेशन हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई. जब मैं इन सबको ब्लेंड करके आपके साथ एक पेश करता हूं और आपके सामने आई प्रेजेंट वन इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट, दैट इज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. The last and the major asset would be your confidence in practice. When I say confidence in practice, it requires huge courage post pandemic, huge courage to understand that nothing is predictable. Why I said confidence and nothing is predictable? When I say nothing is predictable, you never expect any client who was working in a 5 crore plus turnover in the service sector and shut down his business. Certainly he shut down his business, certainly due to incurring of huge losses. He was one of your major clients and he lost your business. You lost his business because unpredictability exists. So I urge confidence and understanding. Expect the unexpected. Expect the unexpected, and now then only you can succeed.
Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotax help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotax from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotax. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotax. In just 2 minutes, Optotax fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotax, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotax now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotax. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slide, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotax. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotax.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotax. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotax. This is the software link: https://gst.optotax.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotax. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.